How to place an order on Temu, step by step. Step 1. Browse for items. Use the search bar or explore categories to find the items you want to buy. Tap on an item to view its details, price, and reviews. Step 2. Add items to your cart. Once you've found something you like, click Add to Cart. Repeat this for all the items you want to order. Step 3. Go to your cart. Tap on the cart icon. Review your selected items, adjust quantities, or remove items if needed. Step 4. Proceed to checkout. Click Checkout to start the payment process. Enter your shipping address and make sure all details are correct. Step 5. Select a payment method. Choose your preferred payment method, credit card, PayPal, etc. Enter your payment details and confirm the payment. Step 6. Place your order. Review your order summary and tap Place Order. You'll see a confirmation message and an email with order details will be sent to you. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends.